How does neuroscience explain self-quizzing for retention? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads connecting different neighborhoods. Every time you learn something new, you build a new road. Now, what if I told you that testing yourself is like fixing and strengthening those roads? Neuroscience helps us understand why this works so well. When you quiz yourself, your brain is actively working to retrieve information from memory. This process is called retrieval practice. It's not just about seeing if you remember, it actually makes your memory stronger. Every time you recall something, the neural pathways that connect the facts or concepts get reinforced. Think of it like watering a plant. The more you do it, the healthier it becomes. Scientists have used brain imaging tools to see what happens during self-quizzing. They found that a part of the brain called the medial prefrontal cortex becomes more active. This area helps organize memories and connect new information with what you already know. When you quiz yourself, this part of your brain is working to sort, store, and even update your memories. It's like your brain is tidying up a cluttered desk, making everything easier to find later. Another part of the brain involved is the lateral prefrontal cortex. It helps control what memories come out and which ones stay hidden. When you try to recall, this part helps suppress similar but wrong memories, reducing confusion. This makes your answers more accurate over time. Adding a little challenge, like waiting a few hours or days before testing yourself, makes your brain work harder. It's like lifting heavier weights at the gym. This extra effort makes the neural connections even stronger, leading to better long-term memory. So, practical tips include using flashcards, writing questions, or explaining concepts aloud without looking at your notes. These methods force your brain to actively retrieve information, which is much more effective than just rereading. Pair this with spaced repetition, where you review material at increasing intervals, and you're setting yourself up for lasting memory. In short, neuroscience shows that self-quizzing works because it strengthens the pathways in your brain that store information. It helps organize, update, and manage competing memories, making your learning more durable and accurate. Regularly practicing this active learning method can make a big difference in how well you remember and understand what you study.